Wild animals and how to describe them. List. Understanding wild animals. Description and examples. Describing wild animals accurately and vividly is an important skill, especially for ESL and GFL learners. Whether you are writing, speaking, or simply expanding your vocabulary, learn how to describe various animals can be incredibly useful. This lesson will guide you through 40 examples of wild animals, providing detailed descriptions and meanings for each. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe these animals confidently, enhancing your communication skills in English. You will also learn useful vocabulary related to animal characteristics, habitats, and behaviors, making it easier to understand and use these terms in context. We will start by highlighting some essential vocabulary before diving into the detailed descriptions of each animal. This structured approach will help you grasp the necessary terminology and apply it effectively. Useful vocabulary for describing animals. Before we delve into the examples, let's familiarize ourselves with some useful vocabulary that will appear throughout this lesson. Habitat: the natural environment where an animal lives. Carnivore: an animal that primarily eats meat. Herbivore: an animal that primarily eats plants. Omnivore: an animal that eats both plants and meat. Nocturnal: an animal that is active during the night. Diurnal: an animal that is active during the day. Camouflage: an animal's ability to blend into its surroundings. Describing wild animals. Octopus: meaning a sea creature with 8 arms covered in circles. Example usage: the octopus can change color to blend into its surroundings. Detailed explanation: octopuses are known for their intelligence and ability to escape predators.